Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. In this episode of the Bob Carr Show, let me give you the 3 benefits of overseeding and aerating your property this time of year. Number 1 benefit of aerating and overseeding this time of year is the soil temperature is warm. Today was 79.8 degrees, almost 80 degrees. Reason number 2, the dew content going into the mornings from 1 o'clock in the morning up until sunrise. It's the highest this time of year because the air temperature is coming down, soil temperature is still warm. You get the break in between, you get a lot of moisture, which is great for seed germination. Number 3, temperatures are going to be low in the evenings and still warm in the afternoons. That's the best time of year to get seed to germinate and grow. If you need any help with aeration seed on your property, give us a call here at the office at 410-721-2342 or hit the link below for more information.